Hello, everyone. It's Hurricane Crane Tree Removal here in the Florida Panhandle.
Yeah, I'm with him. Okay, we got a monster oak.
When Hurricane Michael rolled in off the Gulf with 161-mile-an-hour winds, it did incredible devastation, and you see what this oak tree has done to the house.
Okay, oak tree crushes house. There's the remnant of it coming off, neat and clean. There's the crane. .900 sunset here in beautiful Quincy, Florida. Hurricane Michael's wrath. Okay, there we go.
Another house rescued by Hurricane Crane Tree Removal.